Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up YouTube Studio like this on budget. Also I give you tips and tricks to make it happen. As first I'm going to dismantle these old rails from the basement first, then I will screw in to the ceiling. If you want to make the similar setup as this, you can also use another rails. Maybe you are thinking what I'm gonna do with these rails. I will use it for the lighting and for the camera. Now I'm almost done with the rails. Also, I will need a table. You can buy a cheap one by IKEA. To match with white wall, I will use white table. So here it is. Yes people, magic does exist. Oh yeah! But now it's time to make lamps ready. I will gonna use these white spotlights. I found them in my basement. They are really great because I can turn them each direction I want. Maybe you can buy this at IKEA also. So not, you can also use another lamps, it's no problem at all. But for now, I will make extension cable ready. I'm thinking to use Philips Hue blobs because it's really nice and you can create nice effects with colors. But if you don't have Philips blobs, you can also use a cheap white blobs. It's good enough. Now the extension cable is almost ready. I will make it secure with electric tape so nobody get shocked. And then I will make the lamps ready to hang on the rails. Then I will show you end result. Here it is. It looks nice, but I don't like it yet. I think I'm gonna do something else to make it much easier to use. And for that I will use this old tripod. I think this is perfect because it can extend and I can make them longer and shorter if you want to camera closer or higher. The same for the lighting. It's really nice and I think also this looks much nicer than the first prototype. Also I will use another tripod head for the camera so I can adjust each direction I want. So here it is and I make it now ready. Alright, the head of the camera tripod is now done. As we can see, I can adjust each direction I want. That's really handy while filming. And I think it's also time to make the head of the lamp ready so I can show you end result together. Alright, the head of the lamp is now done, but I did something wrong. The wood must be inside and the red cap must another side so you can see the wood, but I will fix this later. But for now I will make balance, and for what I'm gonna use this I will show you now. this is how the balance works. As you can see, if I adjust up or down, the cord will go down and up. So it's really nice, because otherwise the cord will stuck, it doesn't go anywhere. With this balance, it's go up and down. I'll show you in the demo right here. When you are done with filming, you can adjust them. You can bring them up so they are not in the way. You can go from left to the right, up and down, and I think it's really handy while filming. This helped me a lot. I really like it, and you just get an idea. You can maybe do this better. If you have better ideas, let me know down below in the comments. And now I will show you this thing. With this I am filming. It's not the best choice, but it's really cheap. You can buy it from AliExpress. It's something like €5 or maybe even cheaper, but I use this a lot. You can adjust, and it's really handy. You might thinking, what the heck is this thing? Now I will tell you. I made this from the bottom of the lamp. It's really heavy. Also, I glue fidget spinner underneath. If you want to make shots that something is spinning around, you can use this for that. It's cheap and it's handy, and I think it looks just great. Now I will show in action. This is how it looks. I think it's really nice, and you can be creative. You can make nice shots. This little cute teddy bear is from Sophie, but when you are done with editing, then it looks something like this. A little advice: while filming, maybe your white balance is on automatic. You can lock this down with your fingers on screen for 5 seconds. A little advice, it helps a lot and it looks much nicer. For the setup, I will go with Apple Cinema Display 24-inch and Mac Mini 2011 model, because they all look great and they are cheap too. Also, Mac Mini have a lot of ports, so it's really nice and easy to use. I will show you 3 options for the mouse. I got here Apple one, Logitech and Microsoft with the wire. I think Apple one is the nicest one, but Logitech is much nicer in the hand, and the Microsoft with wire is the cheapest one. You can buy this, but it depends, of course, what is your budget and which one you want to use. I will show you which microphone I'm using. This is Samsung Pro. It's really good mic, and I think you can buy this also for really cheap. You can also buy another mics. You have plenty choice, so it doesn't have to be this one. For the keyboard, I will choose the Apple O keyboard with the wire. I think you can find this also for really cheap, and they are working great. So yeah, this is a great choice. I have here a nice Apple logo with lighting. You can choose between the different colors. I think it looks really nice while filming. So yeah, I like this a lot. You can buy this also for really cheap. I also used Philips Aura. This is a really nice little lamp with different colors, and it looks really nice behind the cinema. So you can choose between different colors, and it gives really nice effect. And you can also find this for really cheap. They are not so new anymore. So yeah, it's a nice choice also. And this is how it looks like. I think it's really nice. You can choose between different colors, and you can match which colors you want. So it's really nice. And this is the end result. The red cap is now on the right side, so it looks a little better. And yeah, we are done. I think it looks just nice. iPhone is hanging. You can filming from above. And yeah, now we are done. Studio is finished. You can film and you can produce new content. And if you have questions, be free to ask. I would feel great if I can help you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.